Chapter 15 Leaves. Leaf is a very important part of the plant. Different plants have different types of leaves. By seeing the shape of the leaves, we can recognize the plants. Leaves are mainly green in color. They are mostly broad, flat and thin. Most of the leaves have a single blade. Some of them have leaflets. Structure of a leaf. The leaf is a flat green structure that grows from the stem of a plant. Leaves have two main parts, lamina or the leaf blade and petiole or the leaf stalk. Margins, midrib, leaf blade, petiole. The flat portion of the leaf is called the lamina or the leaf blade. A short structure with which the leaf is attached to the stem is called the petiole or the leaf stalk. A thick vein runs along the length of the leaf. It is called the midrib. Many smaller veins branch out from the midrib. The edge of the leaf are called margins. More to know. In some plants, the flat green part is not the leaf. In fact, it is the stem. The leaves are changed into spines called thorns, such as in cactus. Functions of a leaf. Leaf acts like a food factory for the plant, as the main function of it is preparing food for the plant. The leaf has a green-colored substance called chlorophyll, and so the leaf appears green in color. The chlorophyll absorbs the sunlight. It uses carbon dioxide and water to prepare food. The process by which the green leaf of a plant prepares food in the presence of sunlight using carbon dioxide and water is called photosynthesis. The food prepared by the plant is in the form of starch. It is stored in different parts of the plant like roots, stems and fruits. Photosynthesis. Sunlight, energy. Oxygen, carbon dioxide, soil, water and nutrients. More to know. Leaves that turn pale cannot prepare food and they die and fall off from the branches. Non-green plants like mold and mushroom cannot prepare food and get their food from dead and decaying plants and animals. Some plants eat insects such as Venus flytrap. Uses of leaves. Leaves are useful to us in many ways. We use the different types of leaves in different ways. Leaves eaten as food. Leaves of mint, spinach, cabbage and lettuce are eaten as food. These leaves are healthy and nutritious. Green leafy vegetables are a good source of vitamins and proteins. Leaves used in medicines. The leaves of plants like neem and tulsi have medicinal values and help us to fight infections. Neem leaves, tulsi leaves. Leaves used in dyes. Leaves of some plants are boiled, crushed or dried and made into paste to extract the coloring substance called dyes. The dried and powdered leaves of henna plants are used for applying on hair to color the grey hair and on hands as mehendi designs. The leaves of an indigo plant is used to obtain indigo dye. Henna leaves, indigo leaves. Leaves as compost. Many trees shed leaves in a particular season. Trees that shed leaves are called deciduous trees. Some trees do not shed leaves. They remain green throughout the year. Such trees are called evergreen trees. The leaves that turn pale fall on the ground. These leaves get dry, mix with the soil and decompose to form compost. The compost can be used as manure to grow healthy plants. Steps to prepare compost. Dig a small pit in the corner of the garden which is shady. Collect the fallen leaves and put them into the pit. Add little water to moisten them. Now cover the pit with the dry grass or by any solid object. Turn the dried leaves in the pit after 4 to 5 days. Leave the material inside the pit for 2 to 3 months. These dried buried leaves get decomposed. Now the compost is ready. Now I know. Leaves are of different shapes and sizes. Leaf is the food factory of the plant. It contains a green pigment called chlorophyll. Leaves prepare food for the plant by the process of photosynthesis. Leaves give us food, medicines and compost.